Raspberry Almond Spinach Smoothie Recipe. Smoothies are a delicious and healthy way to start the day, and one smoothie recipe that stands out is the Raspberry Almond Spinach Smoothie. Packed with nutrient-rich ingredients, this smoothie is not only incredibly tasty, but also brings a burst of energy and vitality to your mornings. This recipe combines the tartness of raspberries with the earthy flavor of spinach and the nutty goodness of almonds, creating a perfectly balanced blend of flavors. To make this delightful smoothie, gather the following ingredients: 1 cup of frozen raspberries, a handful of fresh spinach leaves, half a cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 1 tablespoon of honey, a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, and a handful of ice cubes. Start by adding the frozen raspberries to your blender. The frozen berries will give your smoothie a thick and creamy texture, while providing you with a boost of antioxidants. Next, add in the fresh spinach leaves, ensuring that they are washed and dried properly. Spinach is rich in vitamins and minerals, making it an excellent addition to any smoothie. Following the spinach, pour in the almond milk, which adds a subtle nutty flavor to enhance the overall taste of the smoothie. The almond butter is another key ingredient that brings richness to the mix. The tablespoon of almond butter adds a velvety smoothness to the smoothie while increasing satiety and providing a dose of healthy fats. To sweeten the smoothie naturally, add a tablespoon of honey. Honey not only adds sweetness, but also offers several health benefits, including antimicrobial properties and soothing effects on the throat. Finally, add a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, which not only adds creaminess to the smoothie, but also boosts the protein content. Greek yogurt is a great source of probiotics, which promote gut health and support digestion. Lastly, add a handful of ice cubes to your blender. It creates a refreshing and chilled smoothie, perfect for those hot summer mornings or when you need a cooling treat. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth and creamy. Feel free to customize the consistency by adding more almond milk if you desire a thinner smoothie or more ice cubes if you prefer it thicker. Once blended, pour your raspberry almond spinach smoothie into a glass and garnish with a sprinkling of almond slices or a few extra berries for an added touch of visual appeal. Check out the comment section below for some of the best blenders for your smoothie recipes and meal prep. This smoothie is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also provides a myriad of health benefits. The raspberries are high in antioxidants, which help fight against free radicals and reduce inflammation. Spinach, on the other hand, is abundant in vitamins A and C, iron, and calcium, supporting overall health and boosting the immune system. The almond milk and almond butter provide a rich source of vitamin E and healthy fats, aiding in brain function and heart health. Greek yogurt, in addition to being a protein-rich ingredient, contributes to gut health with its probiotics. In conclusion, the raspberry almond spinach smoothie is a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. With its blend of raspberries, spinach, almond milk, almond butter, honey, Greek yogurt, and ice, this smoothie is a powerhouse of flavors and health benefits. So why not blend up this delightful concoction and savor the burst of flavors while nourishing your body with the goodness it deserves? I hope this raspberry almond spinach smoothie recipe was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So let's make today the day we change our eating habits for a healthier lifestyle. And remember, you are what you eat. Thanks for watching.